Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little update on what we're doing with the Foxbody. So we're welding, we're cutting, we're sweating. You can see I got my dunk tank over there, I got the dog, I got my templates here, and you might wonder what the hell we're doing. Well, you can get anything done if you have the motivation to do it. And I don't have $1,500 laying around for a rotisserie, so I wanted to show you kind of how this is gonna work, because I showed a little video about my rough plans to do this. Now, we're going to be doing this with a couple engine stands, and I'll have a video that's way more informational than this. I'm just stopping, taking a break, giving you guys an update. But this is basically going to be our jig right there. That is going to go on these two bumper mounts, one right here, one over there. I welded up this. Don't look too closely at my welds. There you go, right there. And we're going to mount these. We're going to drill 4 holes in this, and this is going to bolt right to here using those 4 holes. The back is set up the same way, so what I've done is I've cut these out, I've cut reliefs in it so I could bend my box, and then I welded this plate to the rest of it. You can see right here I took my grinder and I ground down the rest of the templates just so I have something to go off of. Pardon the lawnmower in the background, I'm in my driveway, you guys, because the garage is full of my car. So I'm going to get back to this, I'm going to time lapse this, and I'm just going to let you guys hang out and watch us work on the rotisserie for the Foxbody. So we're still at it. We're still working on making the brackets for the car. Like I said, this is kind of the idea. Plate on a box so we can slip that over our jig. Here's one that's partially finished. It's just rough cut. It's not straightened out or anything yet. But what I've been having to do is this is what I've been starting with. You can say I have relief cuts in there so it's easier to bend. Then I've been taking everything over to that brick right there and pounding it by hand. So this is super labor intensive, and then I still have to weld them up. But like I said, we don't have $1,500 laying around. So we're making one.